Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learn Easy channel. Now we are going to discuss integration exercise number 6a ma. In the first question is evaluate the following integrals. Okay, see ma, here the first question is given as integral x cube minus 2x square plus 3 dx on R. Okay, firstly we have to assume let I is equal to integral x cube minus 2x square plus 3 dx. Now I have to split this integral into different integrals. That is integral x cube dx minus 2 into constant, now 2 is taken out, and x square dx plus 3 into integral dx. Now see, this is in the form of integral x power of n. We know integral x power of n dx means x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 into here also 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, okay, plus 3 into integral dx means x whole plus c. Okay, we already discussed why we are writing that constant c. Why? Because in the process of derivation we are leaving the constant, that means derivation of the constant is 0, no? So that is why in the integration we are going to write a constant, that is said to be integral constant. Okay, because in the process of derivating given equation we are going to leave that constant, that means derivation of the constant is 0, no? That is why, okay, now there may be a constant in the original equation, that is why we are keeping that constant. Okay, see, by simplifying it, x power of 4 by 4 minus 2 by 3 x cube plus 3x plus c. Okay na ma? See ma, the second question, integral 2x root x dx on 0 to infinite ma. So firstly we have to assume this as let I is equal to integral 2x root x dx. Now I have to convert the given question into x power of n form. Okay, before going to do that, I am going to write the constant 2 into the coefficient place ma. Now I am going to write x as x, root x as 1 by 2 dx no ma. Okay, so simply I am going to write x power of 1 into x power of 1 by 2 as x power of 3 by 2. Because see ma, x power of 1 into x power of 1 by 2 means x power of 1 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but x power of 3 by 2 ma. So 3 by 2 dx. Now 2 into, it is like x power of n no? So formula is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, plus c I have to write. See ma, by simplifying this 2 into x power of, by taking LCM it is 5 by 2 ma, and again it is also 5 by 2 plus c. This can be expressed as 2 into 2 by 5 into x power of 5 by 2 plus c, as simply 4 by 5 x power of 5 by 2 plus c is the answer of the given question ma. Okay, see ma, third question, integral cube root 2x square dx on 0 to infinite. Firstly let us assume let I is equal to integral cube root of 2 into x square. Now I am going to express this particular given integral value into x power of n form. For that I am going to write the radical form into exponential form, that is 2 power of 1 by 3 into x power of 2 by 3. Why? Because we know nth root a x power of a power of m x power of p is expressed as a power of m by n into x power of p by n. Okay, now by using this I am going to write cube root of 2x square as 2 power of 1 by 3 and x power of 2 by 3. Here this 2 power of 1 by 3 is constant nama, it is taken out. Then x power of 2 by 3 dx. Now it is in the form of x power of n dx. So for that 2 power of 1 by 3 into x power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 I am going to write. Okay, then plus c. See ma, by simplifying this 2 power of 1 by 3 into x power of 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 by 3 whole by 5 by 3 plus c ma. and this can be expressed as 2 power of 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 into x power of 5 by 3 plus c. If you want to express in the radical form, then write cube root of 2 into 3 by 5 into x power of 5 by 3 plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Same of fourth question. Integral x square plus 3x minus 1 whole by 2x dx. X belongs to I and that subset are equal subset to r minus 0. So here firstly we have to assume let I is equal to integral x square plus 3x minus 1 by 2x dx. Okay nama. So now split this entire question into 3 fractions that is x square by 2x plus 3x by 2x minus 1 by 2x whole dx okay na. So here 1x and 1x is going to be cancelled, x and x are going to be cancelled. I am going to split it into 3 different integrals. X 1 by 2 I am going to take out as the common value, that is constant. 3 by 2 integral dx minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx it is. Okay, now see half into integral x dx means it is x square by 2 plus 3 by 2 integral dx means x minus 1 by 2 into 1 integral 1 by x means log x plus c. Okay, so simply we are going to express this as x square by 4 plus 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus x plus c. This is our required answer. See fifth question. Integral 1 minus root x by x dx, okay, on 0 to infinite. Firstly we have to let I is equal to integral 1 minus root x by x dx. Now split this given question into 2 fractions 1 by x minus root x by this x can be expressed as root x into root x dx. Here one root x and one root x are going to be cancelled, and 1 by x dx minus, okay, integral 1 by root x dx. Okay na. So simply see integral 1 by x dx means it is log x minus integral 1 by root x means 2 root x actually. Okay, plus c. Integral 1 by root x as 2 root x. I am going to explain you now. Integral 1 by root x dx means minus 2 root x and plus c. This is our required answer. See sixth question. Integral 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square dx on I is subset to this I is subset to r minus 0. Firstly I am going to write let I is equal to integral 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square dx. Okay, so split it into 3 integrals integral dx plus 2 into integral 1 by x dx, okay, minus 3 into integral 1 by x square dx. Okay, we know that integral dx means x plus 2 into integral 1 by x dx means log x minus 3 into integral 1 by x square means minus 1 by x plus c. Okay, again if you want to know the clear value of integral 1 by x square, directly I am writing that as a formula. Integral 1 by x square means minus 1 by x minus plus 3 by x plus c. This is our answer Understand? See integral x plus 4 by 1 plus x square dx on r we have to do. Okay, see integral, firstly we have to write this integral as I is equal to integral x plus 4 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, split it into 2 integrals integral x dx plus, write the constant 4 outside and write 1 by 1 plus x square dx. We know that integral x dx means it is x square by 2 plus, okay na, 4 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse x. Okay, that is the formula plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Understand ma? See ma, integral e power of x minus 1 by x plus 2 by root over x square minus 1 whole dx. Okay, let I is equal to integral e power of x minus 1 by x plus 2 by root over x square minus 1 whole dx ma. Okay, here see integral e power of x dx minus integral 1 by x dx plus 2 into integral 1 by x square minus 1 under root dx ma. Here see integral e power of x means e power of x only minus log of x. Why? Because integral 1 by x means log x plus 2 into integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 is expressed as cos h inverse x. Okay na, plus c, or you may write integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 as okay na log of x plus root over x square minus 1 ma. Okay, that means you may write 2 cos h inverse x, or you may write 2 into log of x plus root over x square minus 1 ma. Why? Because see it, that's your wish ma. Integral root over see ma, integral 1 by root over x square minus 1 is cos h inverse x ma. Okay, or log of x plus root over x square minus 1. So you may use any of the two formulas. Okay, if you want to write cos h inverse x, then e power of x minus log of x plus 2 into cos h inverse x plus c is your answer. Or if you want to write see ma, if you want to write log of x plus root over x square minus 1 as integral root over x square minus 1, then this is your answer ma. Okay, any of the two is considered as answer. Okay, see ma, here he gave integral 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx on minus 1 comma 1 open it is. Okay, let I is equal to integral 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx. Now split this into two integrals, that is 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. We know both the values are in the standard form. Integral 1 by 1 minus x square means tan h inverse x. Okay, plus integral 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse x we know. Okay na, and plus c. That is our answer ma. Okay, see ma, first let I is equal to integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus 2 into 1 by root over 1 plus x square whole dx ma. So firstly we assume the given integral value as I. Now I have to split this integrals into 2 ma. 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx, okay, plus 2 into integral 1 by root over 1 plus x square dx ma. Understand? Now these two are in a standard form. See, integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square means it is sin inverse x ma. Okay, it is the standard formula, that is sin inverse x plus 2 into integral 1 by root over 1 plus x square means it is sin h inverse x ma. Okay, plus c. This is our answer. Understand ma? It's very important. See ma, the 11th question. Integral e power of log of 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay na, on I subset r minus 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 by 2 into pi, where the n belongs to integers. Okay na, now firstly write I is equal to, okay na, let I is equal to e power of log of 1 plus tan square x. By using the identities, just convert the 1 plus tan square x into secant square x ma. E power of log of secant square x whole dx, because we know the identity secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1 norma. By that tan square x plus 1 is equal to secant square x. So in the place of the tan square x plus 1 I am going to write secant square x. Now see ma, it is like e power of log n. Okay now, e power of log n means we know n. So that is integral secant square x dx. Why? Because here we have to write the formula. Okay, e power of log n. Okay, definitely a base is e ma, is equal to n. This is the formula. By that I am going to write secant square x dx. Integral secant square x dx means tan x ma plus c. Okay, this is our answer. See my the 12th question. Integral sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx on I subset to r minus 2n plus or minus 1 into pi, where the n belongs to integers. For that, first let I is equal to integral sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx ma. Okay, now just write sin square x as sin square x only. We know that 1 plus cos 2x, that means it is in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta ma. Okay, so similarly then 1 plus cos 2x means what ma? 2 cos square x dx. Understand? Now just take out this 2 to the outside, that means 1 by 2 comes out, then sin square x is going to be expressed as 1 minus cos square x, and it is cos square x dx. Since we know sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x ma. Understand? So simply I am going to split it into two integrals. 1 by 2 into integral 1 by cos square x dx. Okay na, minus integral cos square x by cos square x dx. See ma, that is 1 by 2 into integral secant square x dx minus 1 by 2 into dx. So integral secant square x means we know tan x. Okay, minus 1 by 2 x plus c. So this is our answer ma. Understand? With this we completed section 1 of exercise 6a. Now in the next video we are going to continue the second section of the exercise 6a ma. Thank you for watching. Keep watching our videos.